YouTube, what in the world is going on with XRP? Well, I'll tell you what's going on with XRP. It's just following exactly what Bitcoin's doing, like every other coin is doing. So we were talking about longing down here around towards the end of August. We were talking about getting a long right here in order to have this support and resistance flip right there. So hopefully you guys were able to get in on that. And then we were also, you guys know me, if you guys have been following me for a long time, you guys know I love swing failure patterns. Just like we had one right here, and we had one right here, and we had one, what do you know, right exactly here. We have our divergences kick in on the 15 and 30 minute chart, and then boom, we come down to the downside. And where do we get supported? Exactly at this last area of support. Okay, and so now we're basically just doing exactly what Bitcoin is doing. You guys, if you guys look at Bitcoin and look at XRP. Wait, let me get rid of all this madness so it looks a lot better. So look at Bitcoin, look at XRP. Look at Bitcoin, look at XRP. It looks like the same exact damn chart, okay? So if you want to make sure that you know what's going on with XRP, you're going to want to make sure that you are involved with understanding what Bitcoin is doing. And so let's just jump into the intro real quick. So if that sounds good to you guys, make sure you guys go down below this video, hit that like and subscribe button, join us over on Discord, follow me on Twitter, and most importantly, if you guys would like to find out how to make $3,000 in 3 hours like this person here, or like I did right here, which is $300 in just 17 minutes, or the big master trade right here, 4,400%. You go down below this video, you sign up to Bybit using my link right there, and I'll send you my course completely and totally for free as a thank you for signing up. If you already have an account with Bybit or another exchange, that's fine. Just take your crypto, transfer it over to your new account, and start trading, and then let me know once you do that, and I will send you my course for free. And also join us because we're doing live trading over here. Anyways, back to the video. All right, so speaking of live trading, we do have our boy Peter Ming. He decided that he was going to trade and either go broke or win a whole bunch. So make sure you guys join us for that. Look at all of these people. That's a lot of people in there. But anyways, what is happening right now is that Bitcoin is starting to fall. And I need to make sure that I am aware of what is going on with that. So I've got my eyes on the other screen here. And so yeah, let's just continue here. So what are we seeing with XRP? Well, XRP is just basically going completely and totally sideways. And let's just be honest, this really just needs to be a short, because I do these on a daily basis. I'm not going to go over like the super moon boy stuff. I'm here as a day trader, scalper, and swing trader. So with that being said, I'm looking for the levels to get into right this instant, not 5,000 days from now. So if I'm just going to be completely honest with you guys, we have no choice but to look at from this level right here. Basically, it's this. This is what we're looking at right now for shorts, because over on Bybit, you can short or long XRP. It doesn't matter. You make more XRP. Okay, that's the one thing that you just have to understand. You make more XRP. So basically, from this level right here all the way to this level, it's going to be take profit opportunities on your longs and short opportunities that you have to look out for. But you just have to make sure that you're paying attention in the moment to what is going on with the price. And then for the downside, I'm just going to be completely honest with you guys. It is looking like this. For long opportunities, we're looking at $1 all the way down to basically 90 cents. And I would also say that this area right around here, basically this whole section right here, we're looking for longs. And now some of you guys might be saying, oh, well, that's cheating. You know, you have this gigantic area. Like, how would you know whether to get in or not? Again, that's why you guys come over into the Discord and live trade with us, ask any questions, because like I said, I was able to short some of the highs, some of the lows in this range. Yesterday, I was absolutely killing it on the scalping game, getting into some of the highs and the lows to the absolute dollar. And so it just takes time. And so if you'd like to learn how to do that and get on these 1 minute charts, get on these 5 minute charts and trade successfully, then join us over on Discord. That's what Ming is doing here. You guys can see here, Peter Ming, he said, what did he say? Made a bet with a mate to see if I can turn $200 into 2.5 ETH. So I'm going to be doing Degen 1 hour scalping. Yeah. And he's either going to go 200 or he's going to lose it all. So that's what it takes in order to learn how to do this. So that really is basically it for the daily update. We're just looking at these levels. We could end up going sideways. I would assume that we're just going to go sideways for a long time because we ended up stopping out all of these people who shorted. I mean, who longed. All these people right here who were long on XRP stopped out, and then all these people that have shorted probably took profit already. So and on Bitcoin, it's the same exact thing. That's basically what Bitcoin. Look at all these people that got stopped out here, right? Tons and tons of people all the way down to here, and so price came all the way back up, got bought back, and then now it's just going to be ranging like this, right? And so that's because so many people got out of their positions. And so now people have to figure out, okay, when do I get into my next position? You know, these swing traders and stuff like that. So that's why you're probably going to see more than likely big, gigantic shakeout. And then now, since everybody's shaking out, everybody has to come back to their PCs and try to figure out when is a good time to get into a long, when is a good time to get into a short. And so this is mainly just like range trading, and that's exactly what's happening on XRP. It's just basically range trading. Okay, so that's the daily update for today. Make sure you guys subscribe, come back to us, join the Discord, all that fun stuff. So if that sounds good to you guys, make sure you guys go down below this video, hit whoops, peace.